Hello, dear kids! Today, your teacher Alexander Agudelo and I are going to teach you a very interesting topic, which is metric system measurement. Now, I'll talk about longitude. Does anyone know what it is?
No, teacher.
Okay. So I'm going to explain it. Longitude is the distance between 2 points. For example, like the distance between your home and your school. The most important length is the meter, and it is represented by the letter M. So if you see 100 M, it means 100 meters. What does M mean?
And meter.
Yes, perfect. Okay, the meter measures distances, as we already said, but it also measures things. For example, this house, and it can measure the height and the width. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
we also have another example, and it's this giraffe, which is very tall. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so this giraffe is 5 meters long. We also have this pool, which is 25 meters long and 10 meters wide. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
any question so on?
No, teacher.
Okay, perfect. Okay, but what would happen if we had to measure a smaller thing, smaller than a meter? So what we need to do is to divide a meter in equal small parts, and we can call each of these decimeters, which are represented by the letter dm. Okay,
Okay, DM.
so 1 meter has 10 decimeters. So how many decimeters has a meter?
10.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so if we divide a meter in 100 equal parts, we call it centimeters. Okay, and
Okay.
they are represented by cm. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
So if we divide the same meter into 1,000 parts, we call this like baby parts, which are called millimeters, and they are represented by double M. How do you represent millimeters?
Double M, teacher.
Okay, perfect. So to measure small units, what do we use? What do you think we use to measure small units?
The rule?
The ruler, yes. We use rulers to measure short distances, and we also use meters. But when we want to measure longer distances than a meter, we use kilometers, okay? We use kilometers.
Okay, teacher.
That is exactly 1,000 meters. 1,000 meters. Okay. I'd like to know if you guys know how much distance there is between Spain and Mexico. Do you know?
No, teacher.
Okay. the distance between both of them is 9,025 kilometers. Okay, so this is the distance. So it's about 10 hours traveling by plane.
Oh my God.
Yes, so long. Okay, so we learned about meters, decimeters, centimeters, and millimeters, right?
Right, teacher.
Okay, and about kilometers also. Okay, guys, so now we are going to practice what we just learned. So let's go to new part. Okay, so let's start with the lesson. Okay, so let's see what's the question. Let's play time to climb. Choose the character you want.
Girl.
Yes, it's a beautiful animal. Okay, so it says, what is longitude? What do you think?
It's the distance between 2 points.
Yes, perfect. Okay, let's go with the next one. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is the most important unit of length?
The meter.
Yes, perfect. Great job. I knew you could do it. Okay, let's go with the next one. What do meters measure?
Distances for also things.
Oh my God, you're a great student. Okay, let's go with the next one. Okay, how many decimeters does a meter have?
10.
10. Yes, you're so smart. Okay, let's continue. Okay, how many centimeters does a decimeter have? What do you think?
10, teacher.
10. Oh my God. You're so brilliant.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, let's see what is the next question. How do we call the smallest unit of a centimeter?
Millimeter.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, let's go with the next question. So it says, how many meters does a kilometer have? Do you remember that?
1,000.
1,000 meters. Yes, great job. Okay. Let's go with the next one. Okay, and a yard would be equal to?
914 centimeters.
Yeah, great job. Okay, let's see which is the next one. And the mile is equal to?
1,609 meters.
Oh, great job. Perfect. So now we are going to play another game. Okay, nice work. Let's go with the next job. So here we have to match images with the word. So what about this one?
It is centimeter.
Yeah, perfect. What about this one?
It's 100 km.
Yes, perfect. And what about this one?
They are millimeters.
Oh, yes. And this one?
It is with a ruler.
Yes, perfect. And what about this one?
BM.
Yes, very good, Peter. And this one?
Meter.
Yes.
Oh, great.
Okay, thank you so much for your participation. Okay, bye.
Bye, teacher.
Ay, justo a tiempo. ¿Quién te llama?
Aló. Aló. Sí, sí. Sí, señor.